March is here.
Wow.
I know it's getting warm and the weather's so nice. So while you guys are out and about, every week in March, the Kristy Bushaw team is gonna hold open houses in multiple homes, all the way from Orange Beach, Alabama, to Fort Morgan, Alabama, and Pensacola, Florida. We also have condominiums we're gonna hold open. Now the way you're gonna find out where we are is the Thursday before. We're gonna post it on Facebook and Instagram. Now at each one of these open houses, if you pop in, you might get an opportunity to win a gift card.
This is perfect for realtors to come see the properties too.
Then at the end, on April 1st, no fooling, we're gonna give away 2 tickets to the Hangout Festival.
This is going to be so much fun. I really hope to see you at some of our properties.
So we hope that you'll stop by and make a point to check out our Facebook and Instagram page and win some gift cards as you pop in and enter to win the grand prize of 2 tickets to the Hangout Festival.